Hey Miles, delivery mate, postman's been.
Blimey.
What you got?
Boat, I think.
You've ordered a boat, have you? Another one?
Yep, another one.
Have we not got enough boats?
I mean, you can never have too many.
That's a good point, you can never have too many toys.
There you go.
It's not a very big boat, which one did you order?
This one.
Volantex. Nice, which one did you get? Get in there, come on, stop messing around.
Alright.
I hope you can say that better than you can get it out of the box.
I hope that too.
So what's included with it then? What have we got?
4 batteries.
Okay.
Controller.
Controller.
And, of course, the boat itself. Which is pretty tiny.
That's what she said.
And some extra things. Help if I could get in the box. Right, so we've got it all out the box. Comes with batteries, wrench and things, charger, 2 batteries, the boat. On the controller, you have increased the throttle and steering, dual rates, blah blah blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Nice looking controller, nice foam grip. Nice box, nicely packed. Nice small boat. Anti-capsizing feature. And yeah. So as you can see now, we have the top off. You can see the brushed 380 motor and the servo for the rudder. We are going to charge up one of these batteries and get it out in the water. I couldn't wait for the battery to charge, so let's just throw it in and see what happens. That's pretty mad. Let's test the self-righting. Oh god. Doing pretty nuts. We have arrived at the beach to try out the boat. The sea looks pretty nice, just very far out. So let's go and try it out. Chuck it in and see how it goes.
What's your first thoughts, Miles?